Hello friends, in my previous video I had completed practice set 3.1, 3.2. Now in this video I will explain all examples from practice set 3.3. Okay, now let us start. First here we will learn synthetic division. आपण learn करणार आहोत यामध्ये. We know how to divide one polynomial by other polynomial. Now we will learn an easy method for division of polynomials. When divisor is of the form x plus a or x minus a, now see this here. Divide the polynomial. First example, divide the polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 by x plus 2. Let us write the dividend polynomial in the coefficient form. Index form of the dividend polynomial is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 is equals to 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x minus 1. Therefore, coefficient form of the given polynomial is equals to, what are the coefficient? 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Here 3, 2, 0, minus 1. Okay. And here the divisor is x plus 2. Okay. Now see this the method. Let us write the following steps for synthetic division. What is the first step? Draw one horizontal line and one vertical line as shown alongside. See this here. One, this is the horizontal line and another is a vertical line. And these are here first row, second row and third row. Okay. Divisor is x plus 2. Hence, take opposite number of 2 which is minus 2. इथे divisor काय आहे तर x plus 2 आहे. त्याचा opposite येणार. What is the opposite of x plus 2 is a minus 2. Suppose इथे x minus 2 राहिला असता, then we will take here plus 2. Okay. And hence here divisor is x plus 2. Hence the opposite of 2 is a minus 2. Write minus 2 to the left of vertical line as shown. Okay. This is the vertical line आणि इथे तो minus 2 आपण लिहिणार. Okay. Here is a minus 2. Write the coefficient form of the dividend polynomial in the first row. This is the coefficient form 3, 2, 0, minus 1, first row. And here is a opposite number of plus 2 which is the here minus 2. Okay. Next, write the first coefficient as it is in the third row. This is the first coefficient. Write always. प्रत्येकदा हा first coefficient हा जसा तसा आपण खाली लिहिणार आहोत. Okay. Then the multiplication. या minus 2 ने 3 ला multiplied करणार. Minus 2 into 3. You are getting minus 6. Next, plus 2 minus 4. Then their algebraic addition is a minus 4. Okay. Next, minus 2 into minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 4. Minus minus multiplication is a plus. And then you are getting here 8. Next, 0 plus 8. You are getting 8. 8 into minus 2. 8 into minus 2. You are getting minus 6. And therefore, finally, you are getting the remainder minus 1 and minus 17. That is equals to minus 17. This is the remainder. First give the first 3 as it is, then their multiplication. 3 into minus 2. Then you are getting a minus 6. Next 2 minus 4, you are getting minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 2, plus 8, right here plus 8, below here in the second row, below 0. 0 plus 8, you are getting again 8 here. Okay. Next 8 into minus 2, plus minus multiplication is a minus, minus 16, minus 1, minus 16, Therefore, minus 17 is a remainder. Now see this here. The product of 3 in the first row with the divisor minus 2 is a minus 6. Product of 3 in the third row, okay, with the divisor minus 2. This is the divisor. Their product is a minus 6. Write this minus 6 in the second row below coefficient 2. या 2 च्या खाली तो minus 6 लिहिणार. Next, addition of 2 and minus 6. Addition of 2 and minus 6 is a minus 4 is to be written in this third row. Okay. Similarly, by multiplying and adding, the last addition is the remainder, which is minus 17, and the coefficient form of the quotient is 3, minus 8, minus 4 and 8. Now see this again. Next minus, you are getting the plus 2, minus 6 as minus 4, minus 4 into minus 2, again you are getting 8, right, in the second row below 0. 0 plus 8, you are getting 8. 8 into minus 2, then you are getting minus 16. Write it in the second row below minus 1, and their sum minus 1 minus 16 is minus 17. This is the remainder. Okay. Now what about the quotient? याच्यात quotient किती असणार आहे? Coefficient of quotient is a 3, minus 4, 8. 3, minus 4 and 8. Next. Okay. Now the quotient can be written as, how many coefficients are there? किती coefficient आहेत? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the degree of the quotient is 2. And therefore, it can be written as 3x square minus 4x plus 8. And the remainder is a minus 17. And in this way, we have completed the synthetic division. Okay. प्रत्येकदा हे आपण कसं करणार? Keep the first number as it is. 2 into this divisor minus 2. You are getting minus 6. 2 minus 6, you are getting minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 2, you are getting plus 8. 0 plus 8, you are getting 8. 8 into minus 2, again you are getting minus 16. Minus 1 minus 16, minus 17. This is the remainder. And what about the quotient? आता quotient साठी 3, minus 4 आणि 8 हे तीन टर्म्स कन्सिडर करणार. आणि आपण हा minus 17 कन्सिडर नाही करणार because this is the remainder. Out of these three coefficient, then what is the degree of that quotient? 3 minus there are the three coefficient. Therefore, the number of the coefficient is 3 minus 1. Then you are getting the 2 as a degree of the quotient. Therefore, 3x square minus 4x plus 8. This is the quotient, and the remainder is a minus 17. Now next, the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means here the remainder is a minus 17. And the quotient is 3x square minus 4x plus 8. Divisor is x plus 2 and dividend is a 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay. Now next, this method is called the method of synthetic division. This same division can be done by linear method of division as shown below. Divide the polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 by x plus 2. Now see this here. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1. प्रत्येकदा आपण हे first term consider करणार. This is the 3x cube. Then how we can get 3x cube in terms of x plus 2? म्हणजे x plus 2 ला कशाने multiplied केल्यानंतर then you will get 3x cube. Therefore, we have to multiply this x plus 2 by 3x square. Therefore, 3x square into x plus 2. हे जर multiplication आपण केलं, then what you will get here? 3x square. इथे आपल्याला 3x square मिळतो. But we are getting one more term. Which is that one more term? 3x square into 2 जर केलं तर इथे आपल्याला plus 6x square मिळेल. तो बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी आपण इथे काय करतो? minus 6x square. आणि नंतरचे हे दोन्ही टर्म्स हे as it is आपण इथे घेतलेले आहेत. Therefore, 3x cube can be written as 3x square into in bracket x plus 2 minus 6x square. Okay. 3x cube can be written as in terms of this divisor, that is a 3x square, into x plus 2 minus 6x square. Okay. नेक्स्ट आता हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. -6 हे टर्म ॲज इट इज आपण इथे घेणार आता. नेक्स्ट -6x स्क्वेअर प्लस 2x स्क्वेअर. देन यू आर गेटिंग -4x स्क्वेअर -1. पुन्हा इथे -4x स्क्वेअर इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिव्हायझर मला पाहिजे. Then I will multiply this x plus 2 by -4x. Then I will get -4x square. Now see this here. If I multiplied here this x plus 2 by -4x, then I will get here -4x square. But at the same time, I will get one more term, which is that -4x into plus 2. Then I will get -8x. Therefore, to balance this -8x, I will add here plus 8x. Okay, and this -1 as it is. Okay, minus 4x into 2, I will get one more extra term, which is a -8x. To balance this, I had added plus 8x. Okay, now see this here. Therefore, 3x square in bracket x plus 2 minus 4x in bracket x plus 2, keep it as it is. Now next, write this 8x in terms of again this divisor. Okay, therefore I will multiply this x plus 2 by 8. Then I will get the first term here as 8x. But again I will get one more extra term, which is that 8 into 2 means what? 16. Therefore to balance the 16, I will subtract -16. Okay, and lastly this -1, it is as it is. Okay, and overall I had written this dividend in the form of divisor, that is a 3x square in bracket x plus 2 minus 4x in bracket x plus 2 plus 8 in bracket x plus 2 minus 16 minus 1, you are getting -17. Okay, from all these three terms I will take x plus 2 as a common. Then what is the remaining terms? 3x square minus 4x and plus 8, bracket complete, and -17 is the remainder. Therefore, this is the dividend, this is the divisor. And what about the quotient? Quotient is a 3x square minus 4x plus 8. Okay, and the remainder is a -17. Okay, now next, example 2. Divide 2y raised to 4 minus 3y cube plus 5y minus 4 by y minus 1. Now again by the synthetic division, dividend is it's written in the standard form. जे यामध्ये कुठल्या टर्म्स नाही आहेत, तर y स्क्वेअरचा टर्म नाही आहे. Therefore we have written is 0y square, that is a 2y raised to 4 minus 3y cube plus 0y square plus 5y minus 4. Now the divisor is y minus 1. Opposite of -1 is a +1. Therefore write here +1, and all are the coefficients. What are the coefficients? 2, -3, 0, 5, -4. First keep these two as it is. 1 into 2, you are getting here 2. -3 plus 2, then you are getting -1. -1, again this +1. -1 plus 1, their multiplication is a -1. 0 minus 1, you are getting -1. Again -1 into this +1. Overall you are getting -1. Write it in the second row below 5. Okay, plus 5 minus 1, you are getting again 4. Again 4 into 1, you are getting 4. Write this 4 below in the second row. Below -4 in the second row. -4 and +4, you are getting the remainder as a 0. Okay, now next the coefficient form of the quotient. Coefficient form the quotient, हे quotient चे coefficient येणार आहेत 2 -1 -1 4. Okay, now as there are 4 coefficient, therefore the degree of the coefficient is a 4 minus 1 means what? 3. Therefore quotient is 2y raised to 3 minus y square minus y plus 4, and this is the quotient. And what about the remainder? The remainder is a 0. Okay, in this way the synthetic division is here completed. Now next, linear method. That is a 2y raised to 4 minus 3y cube plus 5y minus 4. Now first consider 2y raised to 4. Then how we will get 2y raised to 4 in terms of this divisor which is y minus 1. म्हणजे y minus 1 या डिवायझरला आपण कशाने मल्टिप्लाइड केल्यानंतर we will get here 2y raised to 4, that is a 2y raised to 3 into in bracket y minus 1. Okay, if I multiplied here 2y cube to in bracket y minus 1, then I will get here 2y raised to 4. But I will get again one more term, which is that minus 2y cube. Therefore, to balance this minus 2y cube, I will add here plus 2y cube. Okay, इथे एक्स्ट्राचं मला टर्म मिळणार आहे, which is that minus 2y cube. आणि ते बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी मी काय लिहिलं ते 2y cube. And next, other three terms are as it is. Minus 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Okay. नेक्स्ट आता हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. हे टर्म ॲज इट इज घेतला आपण इथे 2y क्यूब minus 3y cube and then you will get here minus y cube. Okay, plus 5y minus 4. Again arrange this minus y cube in terms of this divisor y minus 1. Therefore, to get minus y cube, I have to multiply this y minus 1 by minus y square. Now see this here. Okay, to get minus y cube, I want to multiply this divisor y minus 1 by minus y square. Then I will get here minus y cube. Okay, but again I will get here one more term, which is that minus y square into minus 1. Then I will get here plus y square. To balance that, I will subtract y square here. Therefore, I will write here minus y square. इथे मला काय मिळणार प्लस y square, पण तो मला नको पाहिजे. Therefore, I am writing here minus y square. ओके, म्हणजे आपल्याला हे मायनस वाय क्यूब टर्म आपलं ॲज इट इज असणार आहे. नेक्स्ट 5y minus 4, keep it is as it is. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट. ओके, ही आपलं इथपर्यंत आता कंप्लीट झालंय. नेक्स्ट अगेन कन्सिडर दिस minus y square. To get minus y square, then I want to multiply this divisor y minus 1 by minus y. Therefore, minus y into in bracket y minus 1. Okay, then if I multiply this minus y to this y, then I will get here minus y square. Then I will get again one more term, this minus y and minus 1. There is a plus y. To balance it, I will here subtract y here. Okay, म्हणजे हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन जर केलं तर मायनस मला y स्क्वेअर मिळेल. मायनस y इंटू मायनस 1, देन आय विल गेट हिअर प्लस y मायनस y. ओके, दॅट गेट कॅन्सल. आणि मायनस स्क्वेअर आपलं मायनस वाय स्क्वेअर आपला ॲज इट इज तिथे आपल्याला राहणार. नेक्स्ट 5y minus 4, keep it is as it is. ओके, नेक्स्ट मायनस वाय प्लस 5y, हे आपण त्याला अल्जेब्रिक ॲडिशन करणार. मायनस वाय प्लस 5y, देन अँड कीप ऑल these three terms as it is. हे as it is ठेवणार. मायनस वाय प्लस 5y, then you are getting 4y minus 4. Okay, next again to get here 4y, or if we observe the divisor y minus 1, we can take 4 as a common. Then in bracket I will get here divisor, that is 4 in bracket y minus 1. And in this way I had written this dividend in the form of divisor. Okay, now take y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1 common from all these terms. Then in bracket you will get, what you will get, 2y cube minus y square minus y plus 4 into y minus 1. What about the remainder? There is no remainder. Therefore, we will write here plus 0. Okay, and in this way the quotient is 2y cube minus y square minus y plus 4, and the remainder is 0. In this way we have completed this linear method. Now remember this, in the division by the synthetic method, the divisor polynomial is in the form of x plus a or x minus a, whose degree is 1. Now let us start practice set 3.3 All these examples are very interesting. Now the first, divide each of the following polynomial by synthetic division method and also by linear division method. Okay, write the quotient and the remainder. First example, 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is divided by m minus 5. Now the synthetic division, it's very easy. The coefficient form of the dividend. आता यामध्ये सर्व powers आहेत. m raised to 2 आहे, m raised to 1 आहे and the constant term. Therefore, the coefficient form of the dividend 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is 2 minus 3 and 10. Okay. The divisor is m minus 5. The opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Okay. This is the plus 5. Next. First काय लिहिणार आपण हे कोएफिशियंट लिहिणार 2 minus 3 10 2 minus 3 10 ओके आणि इथे opposite of minus 5 which is the plus 5. Keep the first term that is a 2 as it is. ओके फर्स्ट रो मधला हा 2 आपण as it is इथे घेणार 2 into 5 2 into 5 you are getting here 10 minus 3 plus 10 you are getting here 7 7 into 5 you are getting 35. Write in the second row below 10. 10 plus 35 you are getting 45 which is the remainder. Okay. Now what are the coefficients of quotient? The coefficient of quotients are 2 and 7. Okay. And therefore the degree of the quotient is here as the coefficients are 2. Number of the coefficients are 2. Therefore 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore it is a degree of the quotient. Therefore we'll write here 2m plus 7. Okay. इथे plus sign आहे 7 ला. Therefore we have written here plus. Suppose here minus sign राहिला असता तर आपण इथे minus 7 लिहिलं असतं. Therefore the quotient is a 2m plus 7. And here the quotient is a 2m plus 7 and the remainder is 45. Now next we'll see the linear method. आता लिनियर मेथड मध्ये देखील प्रत्येकदा आपण हे फर्स्ट टर्म कन्सिडर करणार. नाव सी दिस हियर 2m स्क्वेअर. टू गेट द 2m स्क्वेअर मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला या डिवायझरला m मायनस 5 ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? वी विल मल्टिप्लाय दिस m मायनस 5 बाय 2m. देन वी विल गेट हियर 2m स्क्वेअर. जर आपण या 2m ने m मायनस 5 ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं देन वी विल गेट हियर 2m स्क्वेअर. But we will get again one more extra term, which is that 2m minus 5, then I will get here minus 10m. Therefore, to balance this minus 10m, I will add plus 10m. Okay. आणि नंतरच्या terms ह्या as it is. Therefore, 2m square can be written as 2m in bracket m minus 5 plus 10m. हे जर simplify केलं तर आपल्याला 2m square as it is मिळतो. नंतरचे हे दोन्ही term आपण as it is घेत असतो. Next. आता इथे बघा प्लस 10m हे टर्म आपण ॲज इट इज घेणार. वी हॅव रिटर्न द फर्स्ट टर्म इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द डिवायझर. नेक्स्ट प्लस 10m मायनस 3m यू आर गेटिंग 7m प्लस 10. अगेन राईट दिस 7m इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द डिवायझर m मायनस 5. ओके मग ते कसं लिहिणार? दॅट इज अ 7 इन ब्रॅकेट m मायनस 5. इफ आय मल्टिप्लाइड विथ 7 टू m मायनस 5 देन आय विल गेट हियर 7m मिळणार आपल्याला. ओके नेक्स्ट again I will get one more extra term, that is a 7 into minus 5 which is minus 35. Therefore to balance this minus 35 I will add here plus 35. Okay. And this plus 10 is as it is. Again if I simplify this, that is a 7 in bracket m minus 5 plus 35 I will get here 7m. Okay. Now the next add this 35 plus 10 then you are getting the 45. And in this way we have arrange this dividend in the form of the divisor m minus 5. That is a dividend 2m square minus 3m plus 10 is written as 2m in bracket m minus 5 plus 7 in bracket m minus 5 plus 45. Okay. Now take m minus 5 common from these two terms. Then you are getting 2m plus 7 in the next bracket plus 45. Okay. Therefore, this is the divisor and the 2m plus 7 is the quotient and 45 is remainder. Okay. Now next. Second example. X raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now first synthetic division. इथे सर्व हे ऑर्डर्स बघितले आपण powers of the x, that is a 4, 3, 2, 1 and constant. Okay. Therefore, the coefficient form of the dividend x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the next divisor is x plus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is a minus 2. Okay. Now here we will write here first minus 2. Next, all the coefficients of the dividend, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one as it is, 1 into minus 2, you are getting minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2, you are getting here 0. 0 into minus 2, again 0, right in the second row below 3. Okay, 3 plus 0, you are getting 3. 3 into minus 2, you are getting minus 6, right in the second row below 4. Plus 4 minus 6, you are getting minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2, you are getting plus 4. 5 plus 4, then you are getting the remainder as a 9. Next, what are the coefficient of quotient? 1, 0, 3, minus 2. Okay. Next, the coefficient form of the quotient 1 is 1, 0, 3, minus 2. How many coefficients are there? 4 coefficients. Therefore, the degree of the quotient is 4 minus 1, means what? 3. Therefore, the quotient can be written as 1 into x cube plus 0 x square. ते नाही लिहिलं तर चालेल. Plus 3x. Okay. And the minus 2. And in this way, the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2. Okay. And therefore, the answer is quotient is a x cube plus 3x minus 2 and the remainder is 9. Okay. Now next, we will divide this again by linear method. Now again consider the first term x raised to 4. To get x raised to 4, we have to multiply this divisor by x raised to 3. Therefore, it is written as x raised to 4. To get the x raised to 4, we have to multiply here x plus 2 by x raised to 3. Therefore, x cube in bracket x plus 2. Okay. जर आपण हे multiply केलं, then we will get here x raised to 4. No problem. But I will get again one more term, which is that 2x cube. And hence, again to balance it, plus 2x cube, I had written here minus 2x cube. And all the remaining terms as it is. What is that? 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. All these terms are as it is. Okay. Now the next step. आता हे simplify करणार. Keep this term as it is. Minus 2x cube plus 2x square. That will get cancelled. And what about the next term? 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now to arrange this 3x square in terms of the divisor, we have to multiply this divisor x plus 2 by 3x. Okay. Now see this here, a term as it is. To get the 3x square, we want to multiply this divisor by 3x. Therefore, I had written here 3x into in bracket x plus 2. Okay. If I multiplied here 3x to x plus 2, then I will get here 3x square. And next term is 3x into 2. I will get here one more extra term. That is a plus 6x. And to balance the plus 6x, I had subtracted minus 6x. And next other two terms are as it is. Okay. And in this way, 3x square can be written as 3x in bracket x plus 2 minus 6x. Okay. Next. आता हे simplify करणार दोन्ही. Minus 6x plus 4x. Then you are getting minus 2x plus 5. पुन्हा इथे minus 2x मी डिवायझरच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिणार. Then how I can write here? Minus 2 in bracket x plus 2. Okay. If I multiply this minus 2 to this x, then I will get here minus 2x. But again I will get one more extra term, that is a minus 2 into plus 2. There is a minus 4. And to balance it, I had added 4 here. Okay, plus 4. Okay, and this plus 5 as it is. Okay. Next simplification. See, from all these terms, okay, 3 terms, I will take x plus 2 as a common. Then I will get in bracket x cube plus 3x minus 2. Next, 4 plus 5. Here is a 9. 9 is a remainder. Now see this here. Therefore, the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 2 and the remainder is 9. Okay. Now next, y cube minus 216 is divided by y minus 6. Okay. Now the synthetic division. First write the index form of the dividend. The index form is a y cube. Y square चा term नहीं है, y चा नहीं है. Therefore, we will write here 0y square plus 0y minus 216. Next, the coefficient form is a coefficient of y cube is 1, y square is a 0, y is 0, and the constant minus 216. Now here the divisor is a y minus 6, the opposite of minus 6 is a plus 6, and we have written here the synthetic division form, that is a first the coefficient 1 0 0 minus 216, 1 0 0 minus 216. Keep this first one as it is. 1 into 6 you are getting 6, 0 plus 6 you are getting here 6, 6 into 6 36, 0 plus 36 again 36, 36 into 6 you are getting 216, minus 216 and plus 216 you are getting 0, 0 as the remainder. Okay. Now what is the quotient? The coefficients of the quotient is 1, 6, 36. There are the three coefficient of quotient. Therefore, the degree of the quotient is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now see this here. The coefficient form of the quotient is 1, 6 and 36. And therefore, the quotient is variable ki diya tha y. Therefore, 1 into y square, 6 into y and plus 36. Okay. And in this way, the quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36 and the remainder is 0. Okay. Now next, the division method by the linear method. Okay. Y cube minus 216 is divided by y minus 6. Now see this here, the first term y cube. Then how to get this y cube from this divisor? We have to multiply this y minus 6 by y square. If I multiply this y minus 6 by y square, that is y square into y, I will get here y cube. But again I will get here one more term, which is that minus 6y square. And to balance it, I had added plus 6y square and minus 216 as it is. Okay. Next, the first term is adjusted here in terms of the divisor. Next, consider now here 6y square. Okay, again I will write here 6y square in the form of y minus 6. To get the 6y square, I will multiply this by minus 6 again by 6y. See this here. 6y into again this divisor y minus 6. If I multiply this 6y to y, then I will get here 6y square. 6y into minus 6, I will get here minus 36y. Again minus, to balance the minus 36y, I will add here plus, that is a plus 36y. That will get cancelled, or if I simplify this red ink expression, then I will get here 6y square. Minus 216, keep it as it is. Next, again, arrange this 36y in terms of this divisor y minus 6. Okay, therefore, keep these two terms as it is. 36y can be written as 36 in bracket y minus 6. If I multiply 36 to y minus 6, I will get 36y minus again 36 into minus 6. Then the multiplication is a minus 216. Therefore, to balance it, I had added here plus 216 and the last minus 216, keep it is as it is. Okay. Now here what's happening? Here is a plus 216 and minus 216 get cancelled. Okay. Now see this here. Now take y minus 6 common from all this. Then you will get in bracket y square plus 6y plus 36. And here the remainder is a 0. And in this way, the quotient is y square plus 6y plus 36. Remainder is 0. Okay. And in this way, linear method is completed. Now next, 2x raised to 4, 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square is divided by x plus 3. By mistake it is a plus sign, but it is a divided by x plus 3. Now next, synthetic division. First we write the standard form of the dividend. Now see this here, powers, that is a fourth power, third power, second, and then first, and the last is a constant, that is a 2x raised to 4 plus descending order of the x minus 2x square plus 4x. Okay, now the index form is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x, and the last constant is 0. Coefficient form is a 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0. The divisor is x plus 3. Opposite of plus 3 is a minus 3. See this here. First the minus 3 and the coefficient 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0. Keep the first term, that is a 2, as it is. 2 into minus 3, then you are getting minus 6. Keep it in second row below 3. Therefore plus 3 minus 6, you are getting minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 3, you are getting plus 9. Keep it is below minus 2 in the second row. Minus 2 plus 9, you are getting 7. 7 into minus 3, you are getting minus 21. Keep it in second row below 4. Okay. Plus 4 minus 21, you are getting minus 17. Minus 17 into minus 3, you are getting plus 51. 0 plus 51, and that therefore it's a 51. Remainder is a 51. Now the coefficient of quotients are 2, minus 3, 7, minus 17. How many coefficients are there? 4 coefficients. Okay. 4 minus 1, that is a 3. 3 will be the degree of the quotient. Therefore, we will write here the quotient. Okay, 2x cube. First, we take here the 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x and minus 17. Okay, the quotient is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17, and the remainder is a 51. Okay, now next, linear method. Okay, again consider the first term, 2x raised to 4. To get the 2x raised to 4, we have to multiply this divisor x plus 3 by 2x cube. Now see this here, 2x raised to 4 in terms of the divisor, we have to multiply this divisor x plus 3 by 2x cube. If I multiplied here, then again I will get here 2x raised to 4, but again I will get here one more extra term. What is that? 6x raised to 3, and to balance it I had written here minus 6x cube, and all the three terms are as it is. Okay, next, keep this first term as it is because it is in the form of the divisor. Minus 6x cube plus 3x square, then you are getting minus 3x cube. Next, minus 2x square plus 4x. Again, to get minus 3x cube in terms of the divisor x plus 3, we have to multiply this x plus 3 by minus 3x square. Now, so see this here. Okay, minus 3x square into the divisor x plus 3. If I multiply here, then I will get here minus 3x cube. Okay, but again I will get here one more term. What is that? Minus 3x square into 3. That is a minus 9x square. Therefore, to balance it, I will add here plus 9x square. Okay, and in this way, we have written here the minus 3x square in terms of the divisor in this way. Okay, next, keep these two terms as it is, 9x square minus 2x square. Then you are getting the 7x square and plus 4x as it is. Now again write this 7x square in terms of the divisor. To get the 7x square, we will multiply this x plus 3 by 7x. Okay, now see this here, 7x in bracket x plus 3. Okay, if I multiply this 7x to x plus 3, then I will get here 7x square. No problem. Again I will get one more terms, that is 7x into 3. That is a plus 21x. Therefore, to balance it, I will subtract, that is a 21x. Okay, Therefore, I had written here minus 21x and keep this 4x as it is. Now the next, keep these all three terms as it is. Minus 21x plus 4x, then you are getting minus 17x. Again write this minus 17x in the form of the divisor x plus 3. Therefore, we write here minus 17 in bracket x plus 3. Again, I will get here minus 17x as it is. Okay, that is no problem, but I will get again one more term, that is a minus 17 into 3 minus 51, and to balance it I had added 51 and written plus 51. Now from all these four terms, take x plus 3 as a common, then in bracket you will get here 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 bracket complete plus 51. Okay, where here the 51 is a remainder and the quotient is a 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17 and the remainder is a 51. Okay, in this way we have completed the linear method for the division. Now next, x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 8 is divided by x plus 4. Okay, synthetic division. First write in the index form of the dividend. Okay, this is the index form. Cubic term is not there. Therefore, we have written here 0x cube, that is x raised to 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square. The power of x is also not there. Power of x as a 1 is not there. Therefore, we have written here 0x minus 8. Okay, now the coefficient 1, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 8. The divisor is x plus 4. Opposite of plus 4 is a minus 4. Now write here the minus 4 here. Okay, opposite of plus 4. Next, the coefficient form. The coefficients are 1, 0, minus 3, 0, minus 8. First keep this one as it is. 1 into minus 4, you are getting minus 4. 0 minus 4, you are getting minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, you are getting plus 16. Minus into minus. Right in the second row below minus 3. Minus 3 plus 16, you are getting 13. 13 into minus 5. Minus 52. Right in second row below 0. 0 minus 52, you are getting minus 52. Minus 52 into minus 4, you are getting 208. Minus 8 and 208, you are getting the 200 as a remainder. Now, what are the coefficients of the quotients? 1, minus 4, 13, minus 52. Therefore, the degree of the quotient is, that is, there are the 4 coefficients. Therefore, the degree 4 minus 1 is a 3. Okay, and see this here. Again, the quotient is a first 1 x raised to 3 minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52. And in this way, the quotient is x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 52 and the remainder is a 200. Now next, the linear method. See this here. X raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 8 is divided by x plus 4. Now again consider the first term x raised to 4. To get x raised to 4, we have to multiply this divisor x plus 4 by x cube. If I multiply this x cube to x plus 4, then I will get here x raised to 4 plus 4x cube, which is the more extra term. Therefore, to balance it, I had subtracted here 4x cube. Therefore, written minus 4x cube. Okay. Now the next. Keep this x cube into x plus 4 as it is, minus 4x square. Okay, sorry, minus 4x cube minus 3x square minus 8. Again, minus 4x cube can be written as in terms of x plus 4. Therefore, to get the minus 4x cube, we have to multiply x plus 4 by minus 4x square. Okay, therefore minus 4x square into x plus 4. If I multiply it, then I will get here minus 4x cube. Okay, no problem. But I will again get one more extra term, which is minus 16x square. And to balance it, I had added 16x square. Therefore, written plus 16x square. Minus 3x square minus 8 as it is. Okay, and keep these two terms as it is. Plus 16x square minus 3x square. You are getting 13x square minus 8. Again, to get 13x square from this divisor, we have to multiply 13x to x plus 4. Therefore, 13x in bracket x plus 4. If I multiply, then I will get here 13x square. Okay, 13x into 4. Then I will get here 52x, which is the extra term. And to balance it, we have written here minus 52x. Okay, next minus 8 as it is. Okay. Now keep all these three terms as it is because they are in the form of the divisor x plus 4. Next, from to balance again minus 52x in the form of the divisor, we have to multiply this divisor by minus 52. Okay, in bracket x plus 4. Then again I will get here minus 52x and one more extra term, that is a minus 208. And to balance it, we have written here plus 208 and minus 8 is as it is. Okay, if I simplify, then 208 minus 8 means what? 200. Okay, again take the common x plus 4 from all these four terms. Then in bracket you are getting x cube minus 4x square plus 13x minus 2 minus 52 and the remainder is a 200. And in this way, the quotient is x cube minus 4x square plus 13x and minus 52 and the remainder is a 200. In this way, the linear method of the division here completed. Okay. Now the next example, y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1 is divided by y minus 1. Now the synthetic division, all powers of y are there present. Therefore, written in the coefficient form 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1. 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1. The divisor is y minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is a plus 1. Therefore, it is written here. Coefficient of the dividends are 1 minus 3, 5 minus 1. And opposite of minus 1 is a plus 1 is written here. Keep first 1 as it is. 1 into 1, you are getting 1. Keep it in second row below minus 3. Minus 3 and plus 1 you are getting minus 2, again minus 2 into 1 you are getting minus 2, keep it in second row below 5, then here you are getting 5 minus 2, here 3 into 1, okay, then you are getting 3, keep it in second row below minus 1 and plus 3 you are getting 2 as a remainder. Now how many coefficients are there? 3 coefficients, okay, and therefore the degree of the quotient is 2. Okay, now see this here. The coefficient form is a 1 minus 2, 3. And the quotient is first y square minus 2y plus 3. And in this way, the quotient is y cube minus 2y plus 3. And the remainder is 2. Now, next method is a linear method. Now, see this, the linear method. Y cube minus 3y square plus 5y minus 1. First, to get y cube, we have to multiply this y minus 1 by y square. Therefore, y square in bracket y minus 1. If I multiply, then I will get here y cube, no problem. But I will get one more extra term. That is y square into minus 1 minus y square. And to balance it, I had written here plus y square. Okay. In the next step, keep this as it is. Plus y square minus 3y square. Then you are getting minus 2y square. Now write this minus 2y square in the form of the divisor y minus 1. To get minus 2y square, we have to multiply this y minus 1, that is a minus 2y. Okay. And therefore minus 2y in bracket y minus 1. If I multiply again here, minus 2y to y minus 1, then I will get here minus 2y into y, minus 2y square. Minus 2y into minus 1, then there is a plus 2y. And to balance it, we have to subtract 2y. That is, therefore, I had written here minus 2y. Okay. Now next, keep these two terms as it is. Minus 2y plus 5y. Then you are getting here plus 3y minus 1. Again to write 3y in the form of y minus 1. Okay, we have to multiply this y minus 1 by 3. That is 3 in bracket y minus 1. Again 3 into y. There is no problem. 3y is as it is here. But again we are getting one more term, which is the 3 into minus 1, that is a minus 3. And to balance it, we have written here plus 3. Therefore 3y is written as 3 in bracket y minus 1 plus 3. If we simplify, you are getting 3y. minus 1 as it is. Now the next. Keep all these three terms in the form of y minus 1 as it is. Next, plus 3 minus 1, you are getting the 2. Here the 2 is a remainder. Take y minus 1 as a common. Then in bracket you are getting y square minus 2y plus 3. Y square minus 2y plus 3. This is the quotient and 2 is a remainder. Okay. And therefore the answer is the quotient is y square minus 2y plus 3 and the remainder is 2. Okay. And in this way we have completed both type of the division method, that is a linear method and the synthetic division. And we have completed this practice set. Now we will see in the next method. Till then, goodbye.